Guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope all is well. We are going to be trying out a wig today, girl. This is it. And this is the Sensational Butta lace, and it's 100% premium fiber. I think it's a Butta Unit 3. It blends with most skin tones. A natural density. I got the color T4 Hazel and wider parting, and it's ear to ear lace. So I'm just gonna open it up so we can see exactly what she's given. This is it. She is so pretty. Really love this hazel color, really different. Okay, and this hair was provided from SAMSBEAUTY. They sent me the hair to do a review for you guys. So it's also pre-plucked, like I said. I love the way it's pre-plucked. I'm gonna try my best not to cut off the baby hair. So we have 3 combs. We have one on each side, and we have one here. Okay, so this fits really good. Really like the way it looks. Pretty different, right? Because I always try out like darker colors. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone, and I think this color is beautiful on me. Love it. And I actually love the curls. It looked really good out from the box, but girl, you know, I want to like open it up and see how much volume that we get. So this is pretty nice, and this is the cue card. And the front part is really flat. I actually don't have to go in with my comb and do anything. Alright guys, so this is how the wig looks. I really do like this wig. As you guys see in the video, I just use my white tip comb and I just tease it a little bit to get that volume. And I didn't want to comb out all the curls, so I just, you know, tame it up a little bit. And this is a beautiful unit. You will experience a few shedding. It's gonna tangle a little bit. Especially like when you open it up, I experience a little tangle, but not too much, you know, but it sheds, okay? So this is human and synthetic mix. It's not 100% human here. And I feel like this color goes really well with my complexion. Really like it. And I didn't use any hot comb or anything. This is just like straight up from the box, okay? This wig is very long. It's like a 26-inch. It's very pretty, very thick when you open it up. Love the curls. Really nice. Okay, Ooh, girl, I really like it. And I'm happy that I got this color. It just look really, really pretty. Like, look at this. Ooh, and they colored this really nice. They have other colors if you guys don't like this color. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. We'll love to hear what you guys have to say about this. This here was provided from SAMSBEAUTY, and all the information will be listed down below. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video.